Another big story that we've been following, the Clark County coroner today revealing more about the two people who were shot and killed by a former father-in-law before that man turned the gun on himself on Monday.
8 News Now reporter Ryan Matthew joining us live in studio, also with the attempts to split up this representation prior to the shooting in Summerlin.
Brian, Denise, we knew that there were at least 3 gunshots for the 3 people that died, but according to the coroner, multiple bullets took the lives of Dennis and Ashley Prince each. This all happening during a custody dispute made all the more contentious when a judge allowed family to stay on the case.
Some people like to go a little closer to the line. I myself like to stay far back from the line.
That line, according to State Bar of Nevada President-elect Richard Dreitzer, is determining when a conflict of interest should deter an attorney from taking on a case, especially between their own family. In this case, a husband was representing his new wife against her ex-husband, who was represented by his father.
In family court especially, you're dealing with the outcome of a case determining whether someone gets to see their child and under what circumstances. That's obviously the most, emotional thing you could possibly imagine.
But emotions were already running high, per court documents that show Ashley filed for full custody of their 2 young children the day of the shooting, before custody was split. They also accuse her ex-husband, Dylan, of using cocaine and alcohol while in custody, so much so that a judge ordered him to undergo alcohol testing 4 times a day when he had custody. This is him, Dylan Houston, on his workplace's website, a Las Vegas attorney like his father, Joe Houston, who in the weeks prior to the shooting brought forth a motion to disqualify Dennis Prince from representing Ashley Prince. The specific reason why is sealed, as is the judge's reason to deny it. In any case, Nevada law allows this connection in representation.
It's always a case-by-case determination that you make.
The attorney's determining that themselves. There's no outside person or entity.
That's correct.
So a judge can place an order to switch representation, but that did not happen here. We also want to point out that the way their custody agreement was previously set up, the child exchanges happened at a police station. Joe Houston, the shooter, was ordered to not be present during any of those exchanges. Brian and Denise.
And there are photos of Joe Houston out there, but none of which we can legally use here. Sources telling us he was also diagnosed with terminal cancer prior to the shooting. He's been a member of the Nevada Bar for about 5 decades. As we have reported, the bar also did reprimand him in multiple divorce cases.